Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Krita on Mac. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search for Krita. Then simply click on the first link and then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply click on download and then you're gonna have to click on macOS installer. Then the download should start automatically, so we're gonna have to simply download it and then we're gonna have to simply wait until this finishes loading up. And then after that, what we're gonna have to do is simply double click on it, and basically after we double click on it, we're gonna be able to install it. So I'm gonna show you in a second how you can do that. So as you can see, we have the file right here. So you're gonna have to simply click on it, and as you can see now, we're gonna have to simply drag these two applications, and basically that's all you have to do in order to download Krita on Mac. Now if we open the launchpad, we should have Krita right here, so we can simply open it and we can start using Krita on our Mac device. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.